Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: game updated, storage cleared, and the in-game store accessible. Open the car catalog and search Nissan 370z. If it appears as a direct buy, note the cost in credits or tokens. If found as blueprints, track how many you already own and how many are required. Once done, join any active events listed under Events or Season because they often drop blueprints. Make sure to prioritize those over random multiplayer races for faster progress. You should now focus on efficient farming. Pick events that list Nissan 370z or generic blueprint crates with high drop rates and run them on cars you can finish consistently. Use stamina refills strategically. Complete daily challenges first, then grind special event races for blueprint bonuses. Once done, check limited time offers. Sometimes crates or packs yield large blueprint chunks. Make sure to compare blueprint per credit ratios before spending. This reduces wasted resources, and you finish by redeeming the blueprints or buying the Nissan 370z once you hit the requirement. Claim it immediately and apply any earned upgrade credits. Then test the car in a few races to confirm performance. Adjust your racing lines and nitro timing to suit its handling. If you still lack blueprints, troubleshoot by revisiting event schedules, making sure your game version is current, and checking the store for rotating offers. If nothing helps, conserve tokens and wait. The car often returns in future events.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.